C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a physics teacher. C.V. Raman was a brilliant student and passed matriculation at the age of 12. He wanted to go abroad for higher education, but did his MA at Presidency College in Madras because of his poor health. He started writing research papers for journals. When he was 19 years old, he became a member of Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. He took an administrative job in Finance Ministry and spent all night at the laboratory. Raman's interest was in the science of sound, acoustic. He learnt how violin, sitar, and other string instruments produce the melody. While working as a professor, he got an invitation from England to attend a science conference. During his return, when the ship was ferrying down the Mediterranean Sea, blueness of the sky and water fascinated him. He tried to answer why was this happening. He concluded that it happened due to scattering of sunlight. When he reached Kolkata, he started his research on optics and proved his hypothesis. His research made him a member of the Royal Society of London in 1924. He discovered Raman effect on 28th of February 1928. This day is now commonly remembered as the National Science Day. Raman effect is a phenomenon that causes change in nature of light when passed through a transparent medium, irrespective of the state of such material. This takes place when molecules of the medium scatter photons, the light energy particles. This happens just like a striker scatters a bunch of coins on a carom board. When the changes in energy of photons or nature of light are carefully observed, then the internal molecular structure of the medium can be deduced. Raman effect helps in determining the molecular structure of a chemical compound. Within a decade of its discovery, internal structure of some 2000 of chemical compounds, including crystals, were found. He was awarded knighthood by the British in 1929, and a year later, he was also awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics. He was the first Indian scientist to get a Nobel Prize. He became director of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Later, he quit the job and continued to work at the Department of Physics. His students included Dr. Homi Bhabha and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. In 1943, he founded Raman Research Center near Bangalore. He worked there till his death. He also discovered that mridangam and tabla, unlike other drums, produce harmonic overtones. After the invention of laser in 1960, with its powerful radiation of light, Raman effect turned into a powerful tool for scientists all over the world. He thought that young scientists should also observe their surroundings rather than just sitting in the laboratory. He said the essence of science is independent thinking and hard work, not equipments.